process by which DNA of the nucleus passes genetic information to mRNA is called. First option transcription, second is translocation, third is translation, and fourth is transportation. When DNA change into mRNA is known as transcription, and translation is when mRNA change into protein is known as translation. So correct answer is A. When a red flower homozygous pea plant is crossed with the white flower plant, what color is produced is F1. First option red, second is white and third is pink, fourth is red plus white. हमें क्या करना है? रेड फ्लावर होमोजाइगस पी प्लांट की क्रॉसिंग करानी किसके साथ? वाइट फ्लावर प्लांट के साथ। हम इसके लिए क्या लेते हैं? कैपिटल आर, कैपिटल आर। होमोजाइगस की बात की गई है। होमोजाइगस का मतलब होता है सेम। और वाइट के लिए हम क्या लेंगे? स्मॉल आर, स्मॉल आर। क्रॉसिंग कराते हैं हम। क्रॉसिंग कराने के बाद ये कैपिटल आर क्या होता है? डोमिनेंट होता है, स्मॉल आर रिसीव होता है, इसीलिए कैपिटल आर क्या करेगा? अपने कैरेक्टर को एक्सप्रेस करता है। तो रिजल्ट क्या आएगा इसका? पूरा क्या होगा? रेड होगा। F1 जनरेशन में क्या आया? ऑल प्लांट्स आर रेड इन कलर। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए। नेम अ पेप्टाइड हार्मोन्स which act mainly on hepatocytes and adipocytes and enhances cellular glucose uptake and utilization. Hepatocyte means liver cell. Adipocytes means adipose cells. Which can store extra fat. First option secretin, second is gastrin and third is insulin, fourth is glucagon. Insulin is a peptide hormones which act mainly on the hepatocytes, adipocytes and enhance the cellular glucose uptake and utilization. So correct answer is C. Isolation of genetic material, chemical used to precipitate out purified DNA is first option bromophenol blue and second is chilled ethanol, third is ethidium bromide, fourth is both A and B. The purified DNA after treating with various enzymes precipitate out after addition of chilled ethanol which form a thread-like structure. So correct answer is B. If a homozygous red flower plant is crossed with white plant, the offspring will be first option all red flowered, second is all white flowered, थर्ड इज हाफ रेड फ्लावर एंड फोर्थ इज हाफ वाइट फ्लावर। हमें क्या करना? होमोजाइगस रेड फ्लावर की क्रॉसिंग किससे करानी है? वाइट प्लांट के साथ करानी है। होमोजाइगस रेड के लिए हम क्या लेंगे? कैपिटल आर, कैपिटल आर। और वाइट के लिए स्मॉल आर, स्मॉल आर, कैपिटल आर, स्मॉल आर, कैपिटल आर, स्मॉल आर, कैपिटल आर, स्मॉल आर, कैपिटल आर, स्मॉल आर। सारे क्या होंगे? रेड। All are red. So correct answer is A. The following acid is a derivative of carotenoids. First option indole 3-acetic acid, second is gibberellic acid, and third is abscisic acid, fourth is indole butyric acid. Abscisic acid is the derivative of carotenoid. So correct answer is C. The first human hormones produced by recombinant DNA technology. First option insulin, second is estrogen and third is thyroxine and fourth is progesterone. Insulin is the hormone which are produced by the help of recombinant DNA technology. So correct answer is A. What is true of plasmid? First option found in viruses, second is contain gene for vital activities, third is part of nuclear chromosome, fourth is widely used in gene transfer. Plasmid is used for the gene transfer technology. So correct answer is D. What is soluble RNA? First option hnRNA, second is rRNA, third is mRNA, fourth is tRNA. Soluble RNA is known as tRNA. So correct answer is D. In nerves, contraction during depolarization. First option influx of Na plus occur, second is outflux of K plus occur, third is influx of Na plus K plus both occur, fourth is outflux of Na plus K plus both occur. During the nerve contraction, influx of Na plus occur. So correct answer is A. Biodiversity Act of India was passed by the Parliament in the year. First option 1992, second is 1996, third is 2000 and fourth is 2002. Biodiversity Act of India was passed by the Parliament in 2002. So correct answer is D. Na plus and K plus pump is an example of first option passive transport, second is active transport, third is transportation of ions along a concentration gradient, fourth is osmosis. Na plus and K plus pump is an example of active transport. So correct answer is B. Which kind of therapy was given in 1990 to a 4-year-old girl with adenosine deaminase, that is ADA deficiency? First option immunotherapy, second is radiation therapy, third is gene therapy and fourth is chemotherapy. Immunotherapy, radiation therapy and chemotherapy is a treatment of cancer. So gene therapy are used for given to a 4-year child. So correct answer is C. For hemophilia, the Queen Victoria was first option homozygous normal, second is heterozygous normal and third is hemizygous carrier, fourth is homozygous carrier. For hemophilia, the Queen Victoria was heterozygous normal. So correct answer is B. Which enzyme is absent in mesophyll cells of C4 plants? First option Rubisco, second is PEP and third is both A and B, fourth is none of the above. Rubisco is the enzyme which is absent in mesophyll cell of C4 plants. So correct answer is A. Markov rule is given as first option purine is not equal to pyrimidine, second is A plus G is equal to T plus C, third is A plus U is equal to G plus C, fourth is A plus T, G plus C is equal to constant. The Chargaff rule is A plus G is equal to T plus C. So correct answer is B. Even if there is no damage in photoreceptor cells, still the person not able to see due to damage of which part of the eye? First option ciliary body, second is iris and third is cornea, fourth is choroid. Cornea will be damaged when person will not able to see. So correct answer is C. One strand to DNA that is non-template has base sequence CAG, TCG, GAT. What will be the sequence of base in mRNA? These all are the option. हमें क्या करना है? स्टैंड है डीएनए का, वो भी नॉन टेम्पलेट, जिसपे क्या की गई है सीक्वेंस की कोडिंग की गई है सीक्वेंस है. हमें क्या करना है? कोडिंग करना है किस पे? एमआरएनए पे. याद रखना ये क्या है? डीएनए का नॉन टेम्पलेट है, तो हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ एमआरएनए में क्या होगा? टी की जगह पे यू आ जाएगा, बाकी सारी चीज क्या होंगी? सेम होंगी. तो इसका क्या होगा? सी ही रहेगा, इसका भी कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा, ए ही रहेगा, इसका भी जी रहेगा. और ये क्या है? थायमिन है, टी है, तो टी की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? यू आ जाएगा, बाकी सारी चीज यहाँ पे भी सेम रहेंगी. देन नेक्स्ट इज GAT, यहाँ पे भी CAT का U. बस याद रखना टी के जगह पे U आएगा, बाकी सारी सीक्वेंस क्या होंगे? सेम होंगे. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज C. A resting stage, the central part of thick filament which is not overlapped by thin filament is called. Thick filament is known as myosin and thin filament is known as actin. First option A band, second is M line, third is H zone and fourth is I band. H zone which is formed between the thick filament which is not overlapped by the thin filament. So correct answer is C. A colorblind man marry a normal lady whose father was colorblind. If it produced 2 sons and 2 daughters, how many of them could be suffer? First option both son, second is both daughter, third is 1 son and 1 daughter, fourth is both son and both daughter. colorblind man ने मैरी शादी की किससे? नॉर्मल लेडी से, पर उस लेडी के फादर क्या है? कलर ब्लाइंड है. जब लेडी के फादर कलर ब्लाइंड है तो वो लेडी क्या होगी? कैरियर होगी कलर ब्लाइंड के लिए. और उसने प्रोड्यूस किया 2 सन और 2 डॉटर. हमें ये बताना है कि कितने सन और कितने डॉटर क्या होंगे? कलर ब्लाइंड होंगे. लेडी क्या है? कैरियर है, तो हम एक ही जीन पे यूज़ करते हैं जब कैरियर होता है. जब कलर ब्लाइंड होता है, दोनों पे हम यूज करते हैं। और मैन क्या है, कलर ब्लाइंड है। One daughter is color blind. And this is carrier. One son is color blind. और ये क्या है, नॉर्मल। एक क्या है, एक गर्भ क्या है, कलर ब्लाइंड है, और एक क्या है, कैरियर है, और एक सन क्या है, कलर ब्लाइंड है, और एक क्या है, नॉर्मल है। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज वन सन एंड वन डॉटर। करेक्ट आंसर इज सी। An analysis of chromosomal DNA using the Southern hybridization technique does not use. First option electrophoresis, second is bolting, third is autoradiography, and fourth is PCR. PCR are used for the multiple copy of DNA, and these three techniques are used for DNA fingerprinting that belong to Southern hybridization technique. So correct answer is G. How do parasympathetic neural signal affect the working of heart? First option, reduce both heart and cardiac output. Second is heart rate is increased without affecting the cardiac output. Third is both heart rate and cardiac output increase. Fourth is heart rate decrease but cardiac output increases. Parasympathetic neural system affect the working of heart to reduce both heart and cardiac output. So correct answer is A. During the process of isolation of DNA, chilled ethanol is added to. First option, precipitate DNA. Second is break open the cell to release DNA. Third is facilitate action of restriction enzyme. Fourth is remove proteins such as histone. During the process of isolation of DNA, chilled ethanol is added to precipitate the DNA. So correct answer is A. A colorblind daughter is born well. First option, father is colorblind, mother is normal. Second is mother is colorblind, father is normal. Third is mother is carrier, father is normal. Fourth is mother is carrier and father is colorblind. अगर मदर कैरियर होगी और फादर कलर ब्लाइंड होंगे, तभी डॉटर क्या होगी, कलर ब्लाइंड होगी। कैरियर, दिस इज कलर ब्लाइंड, दिस इज कलर ब्लाइंड एंड दिस इज नॉर्मल। इसमें क्या हुआ, मदर कैरियर थी, फादर क्या थे, कलर ब्लाइंड है, तो डॉटर क्या होगी, तभी डॉटर भी कलर ब्लाइंड होगी। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज नॉट करेक्ट? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, रेटिनल इज द लाइट absorbing portion of visual photopigment. Second is, in retina the rods have the photopigment rhodopsin while cones have the three different photopigment. Third is, retinal is a derivative of vitamin C. Fourth is, rhodopsin is the purplish red protein present in rods. Retinal is derivative of vitamin C. Not. Retinal is a derivative of vitamin A. First, second and fourth statement are correct and statement third is wrong. So correct answer is C. Montreal Protocol aims to, first option, biodiversity conservation, second is control of water pollution, third is control of CO2 emission, and fourth is reduction of ozone depleting substance. Montreal Protocol was signed in Canada to control and reduction of the ozone depleting substance. So correct answer is D. The C peptide is, first option, not present in proinsulin, second is present in mature insulin, third is removed during maturation of insulin, fourth is also present in artificial insulin. C peptide removed during the maturation of insulin. So correct answer is C. In the base sequence of one strand of DNA is CAT, TAG, CAT, CAT, GAC. व्हाट कुड बी द सीक्वेंस ऑफ इट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री mRNA? हमें क्या बताना है? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री mRNA पे ये जो सीक्वेंस दिए गए हैं ये क्या होगा? mRNA पे क्या होता है? थायमीन की जगह पे यूरिसिल आ जाता है, तो हमें इसकी कोडिंग करनी है कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री mRNA बनाने के लिए। CAT का होगा, C का होगा G, A का होगा U और T का A। दूसरा क्या दिया गया है? TAG, T का A का U, G का C। उसके बाद फिर से दे दिया गया है CAT, इसका भी G U A। फिर उसके बाद CAT G U A। उसके बाद और क्या दिया गया है? GAC, G का C, A का होगा U और क्या दिया गया? C का होगा G। तो ये सब क्या है? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री mRNA पे ये सारे सीक्वेंस का फॉर्मेशन होगा। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज C। गोबर गैस द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट इज दैट ऑफ फर्स्ट ऑप्शन प्रोपेन, सेकेंड इज butane, third is carbon dioxide and fourth is methane. Methane is present in the maximum amount in a gobar gas. So correct answer is D. What could be the nature of children if a color blind woman marry a normal man? First option color blind daughter and normal sons. Second is color blind son and carrier daughter. Third is normal son and carrier daughter. Fourth is normal son and normal daughter. हमें क्या करना है? इसमें क्या पूछा गया? इसमें ये बताया गया है कि कलर ब्लाइंड वुमेन है, उसने शादी किससे की है? नॉर्मल मैन। मैन क्या है? नॉर्मल है, पर वुमेन क्या है? कलर ब्लाइंड है। अगर कोई भी वुमेन कलर ब्लाइंड होती है तो उसके लिए हम क्या लिखते हैं? और मैन क्या है? नॉर्मल है। अगर कैरियर होता तो एक पे ही सी लगा होता, पर ये क्या है? कलर ब्लाइंड है तो दोनों पे सी लगा रहेगा। और मैन क्या है? नॉर्मल है। XC X, XC Y, XC X एंड XC Y। इसमें क्या है? एक ही पे है। दिस इज कैरियर। वुमेन क्या हो गई? कैरियर हो गई। और पर मैन क्या है? कलर ब्लाइंड। जिनकी प्रोजेनी प्रोड्यूस हुई उसमें क्या हुआ? कैरियर इज गर्ल and color blind man. So correct answer is B. A pregnant female deliver a baby who suffer from mental retardation, low intelligence, quotes and abnormal skill. This is result of first option over secretion of past discharges, second is deficiency of iodine in diet, third is low secretion of growth hormones and fourth is cancer of thyroid gland. These all symptoms are caused due to the deficiency of iodine in the diet. So correct answer is B. Which of the following is not a function of skeletal system? First option locomotion, second is production of erythrocytes, third is storage of minerals, fourth is production of body heat. Locomotion, production of erythrocyte and storage of minerals are the function of skeletal system. But production of the body heat is not a function of skeletal system. So correct answer is D. Main enzymes of DNA replication is first option DNA dependent RNA polymerase, second is DNA dependent DNA polymerase, third is RNA dependent RNA polymerase and fourth is RNA dependent DNA polymerase. The main enzyme of DNA replication is DNA dependent DNA polymerase. So correct answer is B. If the cell of an organism heterozygous for two pair of gene represented by capital A, small a, capital B, small b undergoes meiosis, then the possible genotype combination of gamete will be. These all are the option. हमें क्या करना है? कैपिटल A और स्मॉल a, कैपिटल B और स्मॉल b, इन दोनों की आपस में क्या करानी? क्रॉसिंग करानी। क्रॉसिंग कराने के बाद हमें बताना है कि गैमेट का कॉम्बिनेशन कितना होगा। हम क्रॉसिंग करते हैं दोनों के बीच में। कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल बी, कैपिटल ए, स्मॉल बी, कैपिटल बी, यस ये भी लिख सकते हैं पहले, स्मॉल ए, कैपिटल बी, फिर उसके बाद स्मॉल ए स्मॉल बी। रिजल्ट क्या आया? कैपिटल ए कैपिटल बी, कैपिटल ए स्मॉल बी, स्मॉल ए कैपिटल बी, स्मॉल ए स्मॉल बी। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? ए। If a heterozygous dwarf plant is crossed with a homozygous dwarf plant, then what shall be the percentage of dwarf in offspring? First option 25%, second is 100%, third is 75% and fourth is 50%. हमें क्या करना है? हेट्रोजाइगस डॉर्फ प्लांट की क्रॉसिंग किससे करानी है? होमोजाइगस डॉर्फ प्लांट के साथ। हेट्रोजाइगस डॉर्फ प्लांट के लिए हम क्या लेंगे? कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, और होमोजाइगस डॉर्फ प्लांट के लिए हम क्या लेंगे? स्मॉल टी स्मॉल टी, कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, स्मॉल टी स्मॉल टी, स्मॉल टी स्मॉल टी। तो रेशियो कितना आया? 50% डॉर्फ प्लांट एंड 50% इज टॉल प्लांट। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी। During transcription, if the nucleotide sequence of the DNA strand that is being coded is ATACG, then the nucleotide sequence in the mRNA could be these all are the option. हमें क्या करना है? इसकी कोडिंग करनी है किस पे? न्यूक्लियोटाइड ऑफ द mRNA पे करनी है। mRNA पे क्या होता है? टी की जगह पे क्या आ जाता है? यूरिसिल आ जाता है। थाइमिन की जगह पे क्या आता है? यूरिसिल आता है। इसकी अगर हम कोडिंग करेंगे तब क्या होगा? ए का यू, क्योंकि यहाँ पे टी नहीं होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि mRNA में क्या होता है? यहाँ पे यूरिसिल आ जाता है। इसकी टी की जगह पे ए, और इसका क्या होगा? यू जी सी। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज बी। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज हेल्प इन एम्प्लीफिकेशन ऑफ साउंड वेव्स इन द ईयर? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन tympanic membrane, malleus incus steps. Second is malleus incus steps auditory cortex. Third is malleus incus steps and nerve fibers. Fourth is malleus incus steps. The amplification of sound wave in the ear helped by the tympanic membrane, malleus incus and steps. So correct answer is A. A patient brought to a hospital with myocardial infarction is normally immediately given. First option cyclosporin A, second is statin and third is penicillin and fourth is streptokinase. Cyclosporin A is used for organ transplant and statin is used for lowering the blood cholesterol, and penicillin is a type of antibiotic. So streptokinase is used for the myocardial infarction. So correct answer is D. Which instrument is used for the separation of DNA fragment? First option PCR, second is gel electrophoresis, third is bioreactor, fourth is restriction endonuclease. Gel electrophoresis is used for the separation of DNA fragment. So correct answer is B. If a colorblind man is married to a normal lady, then from the point of view of disease, their offspring will be. colorblind man ने शादी की किससे? नॉर्मल लेडी से, तो उसका ऑफस्प्रिंग कैसे होंगे? Daughter is carrier and son is normal. So correct answer is C. E को RI, R is stand for first option strain, second is species, third is genus and fourth is order. R is stand for strain. So correct answer is A. Genetic modification has been used to first option create tailor-made protein, second is supply alternative resources to industries, third is enhance nutritional value of food, and fourth is all of the above. These all are the uses of genetic modification of the plant. So correct answer is D. If a homozygous tall plant is crossed with a dwarf plant, what shall be the ratio of plants in offspring? First option all heterozygous tall, second is 2 tall and 2 dwarf, third is 1:2:1, फोर्थ इज ऑल होमोजाइगस ड्रॉप, हमें क्या कराना, होमोजाइगस ड्रॉप प्लांट की क्रॉसिंग किससे करानी है, ड्रॉप प्लांट के साथ करानी है। कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी। कैपिटल टी क्या करता है, अपने कैरेक्टर को एक्सप्रेस करता है, स्मॉल टी अपने कैरेक्टर को एक्सप्रेस नहीं करता है। तो सारे क्या होंगे, टॉल होंगे, और वो भी कैसे होंगे, हेट्रोजाइगस टॉल होंगे। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए। ग्रेव्स डिजीज इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हाइपोसिक्रीशन ऑफ एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, सेकेंड इज हाइपर सिक्रीशन ऑफ एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, थर्ड इज हाइपोसिक्रीशन ऑफ थायराइड ग्लैंड, fourth is hypersecretion of thyroid gland. Grave disease is caused due to hypersecretion of thyroid gland. So correct answer is D. Which of the following is not a steroidal hormones? First option progesterone, second is insulin, third is testosterone, and fourth is cortisol. Insulin is not a steroidal hormone. So correct answer is B. In recombinant DNA technology, the term vector refers to, first option, the enzyme that cut DNA into restriction fragment. Second is the sticky end of DNA fragment. Third is a plasmid used to transfer DNA into living cell. Fourth is a DNA fragments which carry only ORI gene. The restriction endonuclease is help in the plasmid used to transfer a DNA into a living cell. So correct answer is C. Select the correct match. First option Aspergillus niger acetic acid, second is streptokinase immunosuppressive, and third is cyclosporin A, that is clot buster, and fourth is statin cholesterol lowering agent. Aspergillus niger is produced from citric acid. Streptokinase are used for clot buster, and cyclosporin A is used for organ transplant patient, and statin are used for cholesterol lowering agent. So correct answer is D. Which of the following has maximum genetic diversity in India? First option mango, second is wheat, and third is groundnut, fourth is rice. Rice have the maximum genetically modified in the India. So correct answer is D. In mammalian eye, the fovea is the center of visual field where, first option, more rods than cones are found, second is high density of cones occur but has no rods, and third is the optic nerves leaves the eye, fourth is only rods are present. Fovea is the region where high density of cones occur but has no rods. So correct answer is B. Hormones responsible for the secretion of milk after parturition is, parturition means delivery of baby. First option ACTH, second is LH, and third is ICSH, fourth is prolactin. Prolactin is a hormone which is responsible for the secretion of milk after the delivery of baby. So correct answer is D. Which of the following is not a tool of genetic engineering? First option cloning vector, second is restriction enzyme, third is foreign DNA, and fourth is GMO. Cloning vector, restriction enzyme, foreign DNA is a part of genetic engineering. GMO means genetically modified organism. It is not a part of genetic engineering, but it is a product of genetic engineering. So correct answer is D. Acidic due to, first option sugar, second is phosphoric acid, third is purine, and fourth is pyrimidine. DNA is acidic due to the presence of phosphoric acid. So correct answer is B. What does not occur in photorespiration? First option utilization of O2, second is production of CO2, third is synthesis of ATP, fourth is all of the above. Synthesis of ATP will not take place in photorespiration. So correct answer is C. According to IUCN Red List, what is the status of red panda? First option critically endangered species, second is vulnerable species, and third is extinct species, and fourth is endangered species. Vulnerable species is the species have sufficient population at present but are depleting fast. And critically endangered species are threatened to a greater extent. And extinct species is no longer extinct. So correct answer is D. Glenoid cavity articulates. First option is scapula with acromyon, and second is clavicell with scapula, third is humerus with scapula, fourth is clavicell with acromyon. Glenoid cavity is the articulate with the humerus with the scapula. So correct answer is C. Restriction in the nucleus breaks bonds between the first option base pair of DNA molecule, second is base pair of DNA RNA hybrid molecule, third is sugar and phosphate components of nucleic acid molecule, fourth is exon and intron of a DNA molecule. Restriction in the nucleus break the sugar and phosphate component of nucleic acid molecule. So correct answer is C.